Hey, it's another Snark. Today I am showing you the second half of the two-page spread that I did on the live show on Thursday. Because I had a lot to do, I showed the flowery side for Thursday and I saved the butterflies for Friday. So you're going to see this page in a number of different places. If you do follow us and watch the live show on Art Joyous Sharing, which is my sister channel, where Chelsea and I do weekly live shows. That's the slow version. This is the fast, sped up version, and I'm just giving you an overview of what we did. So this is going to be a real short and sweet one. I've got another page I'll be rolling out for you tomorrow that I think will put a smile on your face, and let's see what's happening here. So for this page, I was using Distress Oxides and stamped images. These images are red rubber stamps, which are my favorite. As you well know, I prefer the red rubber stamps over anything else. The acrylic just break down and you can't use them for a lot of things where you're applying a lot of heat. So I tend to purchase red rubber when I can. These happen to be from Paper Artsy, and they have some wonderful stamps. Can't always get them here because they're a UK company, but you can order directly from them, but I don't want to pay for shipping, so I usually get mine when I go to stamp shows here locally. So I'm going to stamp these butterflies and cut them all out and color them up and create a page. So today I am using these water reservoir brushes. They are an assortment of brushes from different companies. The ones I use have a valve in them. Some of them, the cheaper ones, do not have a valve and they flow out way too fast. So when you're looking for water reservoir brushes, make sure you get the ones that have a valve between the brush and the tank. So I make quick work of this, colorizing these butterfly, and then I will get on to preparing my page and gluing things down and finding some snarky quotes, because this is all about having fun and creating something snarky. So if you're new to our challenge, that's Art Joyous Sharing Facebook group, and we have a hashtag for you to use if you're using other social media. And come and join us on Facebook. If you want to join us, there are 3 little questions you'll need to answer, just so we know you're not spam or robot or something like that. And then you can see what everybody's doing. So I'm getting my quote down for this particular page. And it says, I'm multitasking. I can listen, ignore, and forget at the same time. And I can do that, I tell you. I'm an expert at that. So until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little take on today's fast version of Art Joy Sharing's snarky page. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.